संस्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः. Dear friends and devotees, the whole world is in a turbulence and disturbance. They are all engaged in a war and fighting. And also the turbulence and disturbance both in the outside and also in the inside our mind. So that everybody is in the depth need of the love, peace and joy. For that thousands of years back our rishis have discovered the powerful mantras and powerful ways. These mantras will eradicate the negative vibrations and negative wavelengths, and it gives the inspiration and gives the strength of the mind, and it upgrades our consciousness, so that we are teaching the mantras to our children in all the ashramas. So by chanting these mantras, one can get the peace of mind and one can get the good vibrations. Of the good vibrations, you will get the good thoughts. Out of good thoughts, you will do the good works and good relations and happiness and joy in this world. So that our children is Shakti Ganesh, he is the ashrama students, and he is Lohit. We are doing the morning class from every day 5:30, morning 5:30 to 6:30. So many children are attending in online classes. They are chanting Guru Brahma, Ganesha Stotra and other stotras, and Durga Kavacha, Devi Kavacha and Hanuman Chalis, and they are telling the Subhashitas, and I am guiding them how to get the concentration and willpower and other things. So let us go for children's stotras. This is Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna Stotra. Om Stapakaya cha dharmasya Sarvadharmasvarupine Avataravarishthaya Ramakrishnaya te namaha. So next one is the Holy Mother Stotra. Jananim Sharada Devim Ramakrishnam Jagadgurum Padapadme Tayo Shitva Pranamami Muho Muho. Swami Vivekananda Stotra. Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Surahe Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swamine Tapaharine. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tatsatu. Shri Ramakrishnaarpanamastu. Shri Sharada Devi Samarpitamastu.